In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer a Squarespace website to another account. Whether you're moving your site to a new owner or simply transferring it to another account for better management, these steps will guide you through the process seamlessly. So, let's dive right in. First, navigate to your Squarespace homepage. Once there, you'll want to locate and click on the Settings option. This step is crucial because all the essential tools needed for the transfer are available under the Settings menu. Take a moment to ensure you're on the correct site dashboard, especially if you manage multiple sites. After accessing Settings, direct your attention to the Permissions and Ownership section. This area allows for modifications related to site access and owner details, making it a vital stop in our transfer journey. Once here, click on Permissions and Ownership again to open the relevant options. With that done, you'll find the option to Transfer Ownership. Clicking on this will initiate the process of transferring your site. It's important to note that transferring ownership is a sensitive action, so double-check that you're ready to proceed and have selected the appropriate site if you manage several. Next, you'll need to authenticate your account by clicking on Continue with Google. This step is standard, ensuring that the person executing the transfer is authorized and has the requisite credentials. Go ahead and sign in using your Google account, selecting the correct profile if prompted. Once signed in, the next step involves choosing the account to which you would like to transfer ownership. Depending on your needs, you might have multiple accounts associated with your Google account. Carefully select the correct account to ensure the website ends up in the right place. At this point, confirm your selection and you'll return to the Permissions and Ownership menu. Here, it's essential to recheck everything, as any inconsistency can affect the transfer process. Look over the accounts listed and ensure that the selected account is accurate. Lastly, you'll need to finalize the transfer process by once again clicking on Permissions and Ownership. This final click solidifies your action and ensures that your Squarespace site is now successfully transferred to the new account. So, that wraps up the process. Remember to inform the new account owner of this change so that they can log in and begin managing the site as needed. This straightforward yet comprehensive guide should make transitioning your Squarespace site both simple and efficient. Thank you for watching, and happy transferring.